Make a great choice today with the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, moonroof, alloy wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.